Come on, take out your book number 6, Primer B, page number 15. Here you have given, look at the picture and write the starting blank in the name of each picture. Here you have given some pictures. You have to identify starting blank in the name of each picture. Okay, so let's do it. This is a picture of wheel, right? So tell me, which is the starting blank of wheel? Yes, it's WH, V, WH, V, WH-E-E-L, wheel. So let's write down WH, V. Now this picture is showing clap, right? So which is the starting blank of clap? Yes, it's CL, club, clap. So let's write down CL, club. Okay. Now this man is sleeping. So what will be the starting blank of sleep? Yes, it's SL, slur, sleep. So let's write down SL, slur. Okay. Will, WH, clap, CL, slip, SL. Okay. Now let's look at some more pictures. Look here friends. This is a picture of plum. Now tell me, which is the starting blank of plum? Yes, it's PL, plum. PL, plum. Okay. Now friends, look at this picture. This picture is showing teeth. Now tell me, which blank is there in teeth? Yes, it's TH, th. TH, th. TH, th. Teeth. Right? Now look at this picture. This is a picture of flower. Now tell me, which is the starting blank of flower? Yes, it's FL, flower. FL, flower, flower. Right? Now look at this picture. This